going, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. Never mind. Anyway, welcome back to another video. It's your boy FaTkaT, of course, bringing you another one, man. Man, kind of open that up a little bit. Normally don't open that, but I got you right now because it's kind of dark outside. You guys can see it. It's nasty, raining in Florida right now, man. But it's all good. We are headed home. So I was getting ready to do a feature on Jordan's car, aka Modern Day Muscle on Instagram, Modern Day _muscle on Instagram, and Modern Day Muscle on YouTube, man. Make sure you guys go check them out. But we are going to have to do that tomorrow because it's raining and everything else, and it's kind of dark right now anyway because of the clouds and all that good stuff, man. So we're going to postpone that till tomorrow. But with that being said, man, I got something else I need to talk to you guys about, man. Bad news with my lighting, man. I wanted to give you guys a little update on the lighting as far as, you know, with the lighting trends and everything else. You know what I'm saying? My not halos. Everybody knows them as halos, but the GRLs, the daytime running lights. Yep. They didn't get fixed yet, so let me get home. Let me put Christine up in the garage, and we'll talk about it, man. See you then. Let's go. All right, man. So I did just get home right now. Obviously we got Christine in the garage, looking all pretty, although she is wet right now because again it was raining like crazy. Or it is actually. It rains. It looked like it didn't rain too much over here. That's weird. It was literally right down the street from my house when it was raining. But anyway, man. So just gonna talk about these DRLs real quick. So if you guys don't know, man, this side over here, as far as the running light, right? I got the DR. I got the lighting trends that go. You know, you could change the lights of these. They're the flow series, so you know they chase each other and all that other good stuff. Same thing on this side. Obviously this side still works, but that side doesn't. They actually messed up on the day that I went to go drop off my car at the Orlando Convention Center for that show over there. That's when I noticed it was messed up. Actually, that's the day it was, because even obviously had a couple people that was riding with me, and they were like, nah, it was working on the way over here. So I don't know what happened, but they ended up messing up. According to Tyler, the only thing they could probably come up with was that for whatever reason it overheated. But what happened, so I dropped my car off at Tyler's house this past weekend, and he had it for a few days. But when he opened up the package to do my car, right, he already had the whole front clip off. He already had everything off. He had the light out and, you know, prepped everything. And as he was getting ready to put it back in, he noticed that they sent them the wrong light. They sent them the light for the driver's side, not the passenger side. So that obviously does not work. So we need to get the right ones out here, man. So they did. I believe that he said that they are going to overnight it to him. So he basically, by the time this video comes out, he should already have it. But then now it comes down to scheduling again and when we could come down and do it. But the good thing is, though, he did say that he would come to my house and do it. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, that's not great customer service. I don't know what is. He was like, you know, basically for the inconvenience and everything else. So, you know, going back and forth and everything else and whatnot, dropping off my car and all that good stuff. He kept my car for an extra day, not knowing that, you know, he didn't have the right part, I guess. So he kept my car for an extra day, but then, like I said, all that hoopla happened, and you know, it is what it is. So I don't blame him for it, because again, you know, he just thought that he had the right part. He didn't. We never thought that he had the wrong part, man. So it's all good. But at the end of the day, man, we're gonna have the new one be put in hopefully by this weekend, and he will be doing it here. So obviously, you guys, if that happens, I'm gonna have the camera on and rolling and everything else, and then we'll see him we'll see him put him in. Actually, and I could probably actually do the process of what it is. I probably won't show everything because obviously that's his business and everything else, and we don't want to show exactly how to do it because, you know, that's his business, and that's, you know, that's how he makes money or whatever. So I don't want to show people exactly how he does everything, so that way people could be like, man, I could do this on my own. You know what I'm saying? So, but I will show you bits and pieces of how it goes and basically all the big details of how everything is done, man. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And other than that, man, that's pretty much it, man. I don't really got much else to say in this video. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a little update on what was going on with my lighting trends headlight, well, not headlights, but DRLs, man. Also, if you don't know, man, I got my new spoiler in. So if you guys see my other video, and for whatever reason, if you haven't watched all my videos and you're wondering why I got a new splitter, this is the reason why I got a new splitter. It's because I am a dummy and I rubbed my front splitter. And the reason how I did that was because I was trying to save my back wheel. There was a curve or whatever, right? There's a curve that had, you know, like a little entrance area. And I was trying to save my back wheel from curb rash just to make sure I didn't hit it. Then I went too far over and then I hit the other side of the curve with my splitter, man. So, but it's all good. No harm, no foul. You got the new one coming. A lot of people are asking me what I'm going to do with this one, the old one. I do have a few people that have already expressed interest in it when I first, you know, way back like 2 months ago said that I was going to get a new one. So I'm going to be hitting those people up just to make sure that they still want it. But if not, I'll just do my best to go down the list and try to remember exactly who hit me up at what time or whatever the case, and you know, in order. So, but that's what I plan on doing with that, man. So for those of you guys that are interested in this, I will be hitting you guys up shortly when I do put on the other one. And then this will be basically, you know, for sale, obviously for way cheaper than what it really is, or for the actual cost of it, man. So now it's time to finish cooking, man, because I got home before the wife. So there you go. Got some rice cooking over there. Got some pork chops. Got some vegetables. About to put this in real quick. Hold on 1 second. Boom, just like that, man. There you go. You got the peppers and the onions and stuff in there as well. Could let that cook down a little bit. That way when everybody gets home, they'll be ready to eat, man. Hey, look, I do it all, man. I do everything, you know what I'm saying? From the cars to cooking to everything else, man. Taking care of the kids and all that good stuff. Taking them to practice or whatever the case, man. Supporting them and all everything they want to do, man. So it is what it is, man. Just a regular family, man. Trying to do what's best for my kids, man. But so there you go, man. So when they get home, they'll have something to eat, because I know they'll be hungry. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good, man. Other than that, that's it, man. For me, you guys are in my kitchen, man. What y'all? I think it's the first or second time y'all only been in my kitchen, man. Been inside the house, pretty much. But anyway, man, that's it for me, man. Like, comment, subscribe with the notification bells. You guys know me, boy, FaTkaT, man. Stay tuned for Jordan's car, his feature, man. He just got some new stuff on his car, man. So we're gonna go ahead and feature it. I mean, I never did a feature on his car before, but we are gonna go ahead and, which is actually a good thing, because now he got some new stuff that he's, you know, he's really proud about. And I mean, and it looks phenomenal anyway. I mean, I haven't seen it in person. I've only seen it in pictures, but it looks super dope in pictures, man. So I can't wait to see it in person and then do a whole feature on it, man, because it looks pretty dope. So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog or feature on his car, modern day muscle, man. Make sure you guys go check him out. I'm sure it's gonna be on there as well. And that's it, man. We keep it moving, man. Blessed, living life. What else can we say, man? Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell, man. As you go. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention that sauce that was in there, man. That's a wine reduction sauce. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know, I'm kind of fancy. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, though. Anyway, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell, man. You guys know my boy FaTkaT, man. I'm gonna keep dropping these hot videos for y'all, man. Appreciate everybody who's been supporting thus far. Make sure you guys share all these videos with everybody, man, because the faster we get to 10,000 subscribers is the faster that we will give away that rear that carbon fiber, hydro dip carbon fiber rear spoiler, man. I think they call it like V style or V2 style, something like that, but basically it mimics the wicker bill all in one for the chargers, man. So make sure we get to 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible, so we can give that away, man. Completely free giveaway, 100% free. All you guys gotta do is get us to 10,000 subscribers, man, then we'll get there. All right, man, that's it, man. You guys know my boy FaTkaT, man, and we see you guys on the next one.